In this video, we're going to go over the creation of a ticket within Cherwell. This would be how you're going to do it on the two machines that are located inside the command center. So basically, when you log into Cherwell, this is what you're going to see. You're just going to see the generic service desk dashboard. What we want you to do is click on Dashboards, Dashboard Manager, and highlighting the FMS Command Center, double-click on FMS Command Center over here on the right-hand side of this window, and it will open a FMS Command Center dashboard that was built for this project. So essentially what this dashboard will tell you is it'll be populated with all the tickets created for the Command Center by Command Center technicians. Down here in this section, it will have any tickets that do not have an owner, so no technical owner will show up down here. We anticipate very few of those. Tickets open today, tickets closed today, those will be in those two sections. And then over here would be the ticket queue, so by technician in the FMS Command Center, it would show you all the different technicians and how many tickets they currently have in their queue. This data is real time. You can drill right into it simply by double clicking. For instance, on tickets open today, I can double click on that and I can see that there have been 3 tickets created today on behalf of the FMS Command Center. Speaking of creating tickets, let's go ahead and walk through how to create one. So up here in New, we're going to go ahead and select New Incident. And all you need to do is fill in the requester. So the way to do this is to either type in the person's first name. So let's use Michelle Hall as an example. Michelle, and hit Tab. And that brought up all the Michelles within our Active Directory. I can also type her last name and hit Tab and bring up all the Halls. There's Michelle Hall. So I'll just go ahead and double click on her, and all of her information will carry over as far as her email address, phone number, etc. And what we've done for the FMS Command Center is we've created what's called a one-step. And what this one-step will do is it'll autofill every area of this ticket that is like standard work. So if we click one-step manager, make sure the FMS Command Center is highlighted, and double click on the FMS Go Live icon here with 2 little feet. So it took ownership of the ticket. So I am the owner. I'm a member of the FMS Command Center team. It put the ticket into work in progress, so it changed it from new to work in progress. It changed the call source to phone. It input a priority code of 5, which is our default priority level. And it also classified it, and this is the classification we're going to use for the Command Center, Business Applications, FMS, and Go Live Ticket. And that way we can do reporting and see how many tickets are created per day, and we can do some sorting, etc. from descriptions. Which, speaking of, that's what you need to put in. You need to put in a good, clear, and concise description of the problem or request that the person's making that's calling you. So I'm just going to use no power to PC and Tab, and I can put additional information down here. I can go over here and put in a journal entry. Some of the entries might be that I left a voicemail. I might put a little note in there. I left a voicemail for the person. Additional information that I've found out since the original request came in. I received an email. I can copy and paste that into this area. So lots of valuable information can be put in the journal. Once I've created the ticket, I've solved it, I've satisfied the request, I can go ahead and close it. So the way to do that is to just click on Resolve Close right here. Put a close description. Hit OK. Choose my cost code, which 99% of the time we use request completed. Say OK. And that closes the ticket. As you can see right here, it is in a closed state. So now I can go on and create a new incident and carry on. That's all there is to creating a ticket within the Cherwell product. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please feel free to call the service desk on extension 8200. Thank you.